Hello, little explorers. Are you ready to dive into the deep blue sea with us? Today we'll meet some amazing sea animals, like the clever octopus, the playful dolphin, and even the giant whale. Let's learn their names, see where they live, and have tons of fun while learning. So grab your snorkel and let's swim into the ocean adventure together. Humpback whale is one of the biggest animals on Earth. It can grow up to 50 feet long, that's as long as a school bus. It has long white flippers that can be up to 16 feet long. Humpback whales love to jump out of the water. This is called breaching. They flip and splash with their giant bodies, and it looks amazing. That's why it's called a humpback, because of its curved back and long flippers. Humpback whales are famous for their songs. The males sing long, beautiful songs underwater that can last for hours. Scientists believe these songs help them communicate and attract mates. Turtle is an ancient animal that has been around for over 200 million years, even before dinosaurs. Turtle moves slowly on land but can swim fast in water, especially sea turtles, which can reach speeds of 35 kilometers per h, 22 miles per hour, in the ocean. Turtle is a herbivore or omnivore, meaning it can eat plants, fruits, and even small animals, depending on the species. Yellow cichlid is omnivorous, eats flakes, pellets, vegetables, and occasional protein. Yellow cichlid is bright yellow in color with black-tipped fins. Yellow cichlid is peaceful but can be territorial, especially during breeding. Yellow cichlid is a mouth brooder. Female carries eggs in her mouth. Yellow cichlid lives in freshwater, originally from Lake Malawi in Africa. Crabs belong to the group called crustaceans, related to lobsters, shrimp, and crayfish. Crabs have a tough outer shell, called an exoskeleton, that protects their body. They must molt, shed their shell, to grow. Crabs have 10 legs, with the front two being claws, chelae, used for catching food and defending themselves. Sawfish use their rostrum to sense tiny electric fields made by fish hiding in the sand, helping them hunt even in dark, murky waters. Sawfish can sense electricity in the water. Special sensors on their saw help detect hidden prey, even in the dark or muddy water. Sawfish live in oceans and rivers. They are special fish that can survive in both saltwater and freshwater, and sometimes swim far into rivers. Hammerhead sharks have a head shaped like a hammer. That's why they're called hammerheads. Their wide head helps them see better, almost like having eyes on both sides of the room. Hammerheads have an amazing sense of smell. They can smell a drop of blood in the water from far away. Even though they look scary, hammerhead sharks are usually not dangerous to humans. Hammerhead sharks must keep swimming to breathe, so they never stop moving. Starfish are not actually fish, they're echinoderms, related to sea urchins and sand dollars. Most starfish have 5 arms, but some species can have up to 40 arms. They eat clams, oysters, mussels, and other small marine animals. Starfish don't have a brain or blood. They come in many colors, sizes, and textures depending on the species and habitat. Orcas are actually the largest members of the dolphin family, not whales. Their bold, black and white pattern helps them blend into the ocean when hunting. Orcas are very intelligent and hunt in groups, like a wolf pack of the sea. Orcas use clicks, whistles, and calls to talk to each other. Each pod has its own language. They can swim up to 56 kilometers per h, 35 miles per hour. That's faster than a car in the city. Sharks don't have bones like we do. Their bodies are made of cartilage, the same stuff in your nose and ears. It's bendy and light. Sharks lose teeth all the time, but new ones grow back in rows. Some sharks grow thousands of teeth in their lifetime. Some sharks keep swimming, even when they rest. They never stop moving, because they need water flowing through their gills to breathe. Dolphin is carnivorous, eats fish, squid, and crustaceans. Dolphin is intelligent, can solve problems, and use tools. Dolphin is a mammal, breathes air through a blowhole. Dolphin lives in oceans and some rivers around the world. Dolphin communicates using clicks, whistles, and body movements. Duck is a water-loving bird that lives near ponds, lakes, rivers, and wetlands. Ducklings, baby ducks, are yellow and fluffy when they hatch and love to swim right away. Ducks like to dabble in the water, which means they dip their heads underwater to find food. Walruses have long tusks, like big teeth, that can grow up to 3 feet, 1 meter, long. Both males and females have them. Their face is covered in stiff whiskers, which help them feel around and find food underwater. Walruses are great swimmers, but also love to rest on ice or land with their big bodies. Walruses live in cold Arctic areas near the North Pole. Octopuses are considered the smartest invertebrates. They can solve puzzles, escape tanks, and even unscrew jar lids. They have 1 central brain and 8 mini brains, 1 in each arm, helping each arm to act independently. Octopuses can learn from experience, remember things, and even recognize individual humans. Wow, that was such a fun ocean adventure. You did a great job learning all those amazing sea animals today. If you had fun, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new learning video.